Hello everybody. Today in this video, I will solve first 6 questions from linear equations in one variable and from exercise 2.5. So let's start solving the first equations. In this question they have said x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So let's write the equation first. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. जैसे कि हम लोग देख सकते हैं here the term related to x is variable, this variable term will keep in left side of the equation. So x by 2 minus इस x by 3 को हम लोग left side में लाएंगे तो साइन चेंज होगा, प्लस will become minus is equal to 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 and 1 by 5 is constant, so we'll keep in the right side of the equation. This minus 1 by 5 if we take in the right side it becomes plus 1 by 5. Now we can take LCM. So 2 and 3 का LCM बनता है आपका 6. 2 3 times 3 into x 3x minus 3 2 times 2 into x 2x is equal to 4 and 5 का LCM बनता है आपका 20. 4 5 times 20, 5 into 1 is 5 plus 5 4 times 20, 4 into 1 is 4. So 6 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x we can write, or we can write x, and here 5 plus 4 is 9 divides 20. Now this step what we'll do, we'll do the cross multiplication, that is numerator into denominator of the opposite side and numerator into denominator of the opposite sides of the equations. So 2 into 20 into x, which is 20x, and 6 9s are 54, we can write directly here. So as you can say x will become 54, this 20 will come as a divide in the denominator. Now 2 10s are 20 and 2 27s is 24. So ultimately we get the results as the value of x, we get x is equal to 27 by 10. So this is the solution of our first maths. This is solved. Let's start solving the second maths of this chapter. Here they have said, let's start the question first. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. In this question we no need to do any no need to bring any variable or constant in each other side, because हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि n 3n 5n these all are variable related term already in the left side of the equation. So हम लोग यहाँ पे कोई changes नहीं करेंगे. What we'll do, we'll take the LCM of this three denominator. 2 4 6 इसका LCM बनता है आपका 12. Now 2 6 times 6 into n we can write 6n minus we'll write here 4 3 times 3 into 3n which is 9n plus 6 2 times 12, so 2 into 5n that is 10n is equal to 21. Now what we'll do, 10n plus 6n is 16n minus 9n is equal to 21. Now 16 minus 9 which is 7n by 12 is equal to 21. अभी क्या करेंगे हम लोग, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. इसके नीचे 1 बैठता है, सो 7n इंटू 1 is equal to 12 into 21. So 7 and 1 into n, 7n into 1 is 7n is equal to 12 into 21. आप लोग चाहो तो इसको और शॉर्टकट भी लिख सकते हो, डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट इट 7n. So what we'll do, n becomes 12 into 21. इस 7 को हम लोग नीचे डिवाइड करके यहाँ पे लेके आएंगे. Now 7 how many times? 3 times. So ultimately we get the value of n is equal to 36. So this is our solution. So ultimately we can say that the value of n is equal to 36. Now we'll start solving question number 3. As you can see in the question number 3, the variable related terms are x minus 8x by 3 and minus 5x by 2. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले all the variable related terms हम लोग इक्वेशंस के लेफ्ट साइड में लेके आ जाएंगे. So we can write x minus 8x by 3. This minus will become plus 5x by 2. और बाकी जो कांस्टेंट टर्म रहता है जैसे कि 17 by 6 and this plus 7 will come in the right side of the equation and it becomes minus 7. So all the variable related terms are in the left side of the equation and constant related terms are in the right side of the equations. अभी क्या करेंगे, we'll take the LCM. Now 3 and 2 का LCM जो बनता है 6, इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं मतलब 1 is there. So 1 6 times 6 and 6 into x is 6x minus 3 2 times is 6 and 2 into 8x that is 16x. The same way 2 3 times is 6, 2 3 is 6 and this 3 into 5x means 15x. And if we take the LCM in the right side, इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं मतलब 1 है तो 6 1s are 6 LCM बनता है इसका. 6 1 times 6 and 1 into 17 is 17 minus 1 6 times 6 and 6 into 7 42. अभी हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, we can do two process here. Directly we can do the cross multiplication with this entire term with this denominator and this term with this denominator. This is one way. और दूसरा जो वे होता है we can cancel directly 6. It means that अगर एक इक्वेशन में लेफ्ट और राइट साइड दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर मैच होता है वी कैन कैंसिल इट डायरेक्टली. सो लेट आई हैव कैंसल्ड 6 and 6 डायरेक्टली. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी गेट. 6x plus 15x that is 21x minus 16x and here 17 minus 42 we can write. Now 21x minus 16x which is 5x and अगर 17 से 42 माइनस करते हैं प्लस माइनस माइनस 42 माइनस 17 इज 25 एंड साइन 42 का लेफ्ट में जो है वही बैठेगा बिकॉज इज अ बिग नंबर. सो अल्टीमेटली वी कैन राइट x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 25. ये 5 डिवाइड होकर नीचे आ जाएगा. 5 वी कैन कैंसिल. सो द फाइनल वैल्यू ऑफ x वी गेट हैज हियर minus 5 and this is our solution. So we can say the value of x is equal to minus 5. Now let's start solving question number 4. In the question number 4 they have given x minus 5 divides 3, x minus 3 divides 5. क्वेश्चन को देख के मालूम पड़ता है आप लोगों को कि what we'll do initially we can do directly cross multiplication here. So cross multiplication means 5 into x minus 5. As there is two term हम लोग उसको ब्रैकेट में डाल देंगे. When there is two term always we give a bracket between this term. Similarly 3 into x minus 3. So what we get here, 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into 5 25. 3 into x 3x and 3 into 3 is 9. 5x is a variable term, 3x is also variable related term, will bring in the left side. 5x ये 3x अगर लेफ्ट में आएगा तो माइनस 3x बन जाएगा एंड दिस माइनस 25 अगर हम लोग राइट में लाते हैं इट बिकम्स प्लस 25 माइनस 9. सो 5x माइनस 3x इज 2x एंड 25 माइनस 9 इज 16. सो अल्टीमेटली वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू दिस 2 डिवाइड होकर आ जाएगा. द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी गेट 8 and it is solved here. Now let's start solving question number 5. Here it is written m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, स्टार्टिंग में m रिलेटेड जितना टर्म्स है जैसे कि m minus 1 by 2, m minus 2 by 3, सब m रिलेटेड दैट इज वेरिएबल रिलेटेड टर्म्स विल ब्रिंग द लेफ्ट साइड इन द इक्वेशन. सो m minus 1 by 2 और ये जो टर्म है माइनस ऑफ m minus 2 by 3 उसको हम लोग लेफ्ट में लाने से इट बिकम्स प्लस m minus 2 by 3. राइट साइड द इक्वेशन सिर्फ इट रिमेन्स 1. हियर व्हाट विल डू, विल टेक द एलसीएम. 3 and 2 का एलसीएम जो बनता है 6. m के नीचे कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1 इज देयर. सो 1 6 टाइम्स और 6 इंटू m इज 6m. माइनस है तो हम लोग माइनस बिठा देते हैं. 2 3 टाइम्स, सो 3 इंटू m minus 1 3 इंटू हम लोग लिखेंगे विद इन ब्रैकेट m माइनस 1. When there is 2 terms, we immediately give bracket plus 3 into 2 times means 3 2 is 6. So we'll write this plus and 2 into m minus 2. This m minus 2 within bracket is equal to 1. So what we do now, हम लोग डायरेक्टली इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं, और नहीं तो हम लोग इस लाइन को पहले ब्रेक कर देते हैं. 6m माइनस 3 इंटू एम दैट इज 3m माइनस माइनस प्लस प्लस 3 2 into m is 2m plus minus minus 2 2s are 4. Divide by 6 is equal to 1. So अभी हम लोग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देते हैं. सो न्यूमरेटर इंटू डिनोमिनेटर कुछ नहीं है तो बोले नीचे 1 है. सो वी कैन राइट द सेम टर्म दैट इज, और नहीं तो व्हाट विल डू, विल फर्स्ट इसका कैलकुलेशन करके नेक्स्ट लाइन में हम लोग भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं. नाउ 6m माइनस 3m, 6m माइनस 3m इज 3m plus 2m, and here 3 minus 4 is minus 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 1 हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. Now 3m plus 2m is equal to 5m minus 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 1 हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. Now what we'll do, we can do the cross multiplication directly here, this into this and this into this. So 5m minus 1 into 1 is 5m minus 1 is equal to 6. So we can write ultimately this 5m is equal to, this 1 will come to the right side, 6 plus 1. So 5m we get 7, और हम लोग को m का जो वैल्यू मिलता है फाइनली, we get the value of m as 7 by 5. ये 5 नीचे डिवाइड होकर आ जाएगा. So ultimately this is our solution. And this is solved here. Question number 6 is almost similar like question number 5. We can see here this is t related term, this is t related term, and the right side another t. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले all the t related term will keep in the left side, और बाकी जो term बचता है constant term will keep in the right side. So let's start. First line what we'll do, 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3, and ये माइनस टी अगर लेफ्ट में आता है इट बिकम्स प्लस टी इज इक्वल टू 2 by 3. सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट टास्क. सेकेंड टास्क में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 4 3 और t के नीचे कुछ नहीं मीन्स 1 इज देयर. 4 और 3 और 1 का अगर एलसीएम लेते वी गेट 12. ना 4 हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, 3 टाइम्स. सो विल राइट 3 इंटू 3t minus 2 minus 3 4 times is 12. So we'll write 4 into this 2t plus 3. As 2 terms are there, we give bracket plus 1 into 12 is 12. So 12 into t is 12t is equal to 2 by 3. अभी न्यूमरेटर को हम लोग ब्रेक करेंगे. 3 into 3t means 9t minus 3 into 2 is 6 minus 4 into 2t is 8t plus minus minus 4 into 3 is 12 plus 12t is equal to 2 by 3. Ending 90 minus 80 is 1t plus 12t, और यहाँ पे क्या करें, minus 6 minus 12 that is minus minus plus. So 12 plus 6 is equal to 18, और साइन आपका माइनस बैठेगा 18. Why minus? Because bigger sign is minus. Divided by 12 we can write 2 by 3. So 12t plus t is 13t minus 18 by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. नेक्स्ट लाइन में क्या करेंगे हम लोग, what we'll do in the next line, in the next line we'll do the cross multiplication. So 3 into ब्रैकेट में डाल देते इसको, 13t minus 18 is equal to 2 into 12. 3 30s are 39t minus 3 into 18, 54 is equal to 24. So we can write 39t is equal to, this minus 54 will come in the right side of the equation, 24 plus 54. So t is equal to 24 plus 54 is 78 divides 39. ये 39 यहाँ पे डिवाइड होके आ जाता है. So ultimately if we cancel we get the value of t is equal to And this is how our equation solved, and we get the solution. So in the next video, the remaining 4 maths from the same exercise 2.4 I will solve. Okay, thank you.